Are you digitally curious? This is a question I've been asking my audiences at the start of every talk for some time now. I get them on their feet and ask 6 simple questions about being digitally curious. Have you Googled yourself lately? Do you consume newspapers and magazines digitally? Do you bank with an app-only bank? Do you use 2-factor authentication on all of your online accounts? Have you created an AI-generated picture of yourself? And the last one that always gets the group talking is, have you bought some Bitcoin? These 6 things are simple to do and can also determine if you are truly digitally curious. My mantra for the last 30 years has been, to get digital, you need to be digital. What I mean by this is you need to continually try out new platforms and technologies to personally understand them, what they mean for you and your business. So, how digitally curious are you? Part of the challenge of someone with a demanding career or family life is investing the time to properly understand the technologies and platforms that'll shape society in the next 5 years. I'm writing a book this year to be published by Wiley, and it's made me think deeply about how someone can become digitally curious and what you need to know about technologies that are here now and what's coming next. In my talks, I throw up a slide full of jargon and ask my audience to take a picture, and then ask how many of these they truly understand and how many are new to them. If you're doing this right now and you say to yourself, I don't know all of these, then that's okay. Tonight, tomorrow, head to Wikipedia and play Wikipedia Bingo and find out what each of these terms mean for you and for your business.